welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another QuickWeave install, and the hair I'm using in this video is from Royalt Styles. I wish that I would have gotten a video of how the bundles came in the pack, but I forgot to record that video of me showing the bundles before I dyed my bundles jet black and washed my bundles. But if you want to see how I install this QuickWeave, just keep on watching. I ordered the version 3 bundle hair deal, and I got body wave in 16, 18, and 20 inch. Now when I put my tracks on, I always like to make sure I feel around just so I know that I'm putting my tracks as low as I can. Now this first track I definitely could have went a little bit lower, but I just use my finger to make sure that I'm not putting the tracks too close together, but still also making sure that I don't have too much of a gap between each track. like I said, I like my QuickWeaves full. And as I was in the middle of my hair, I was like, baby, I feel a little space in the back of my head. I wish I would have turned around and showed y'all, but no biggie. I just took an extra track and I just added it into the back of my head, and the longest length I had was 20" and I still had some hair left over from there, so all I had to do was just go back and add another track. Take a second and talk to you guys and really be vulnerable with you guys real quick. So I really don't talk like to anybody really about this, but in my family we have really thin edges, and so my edges look terrible. So if you guys have any products that work for you, or you guys kind of go through the same thing I go through when it comes to having just really thin edges to where they look like they're balding, send some prayers and recommendation in the comments for me, because I definitely want, you know, my edges to grow back and not look like I'm balding. But yeah, let me know what products work for you guys, and I'll definitely give them a try. not the bag that they came in, but I got these rollers from Amazon. I'm gonna make sure I link those rollers in my Amazon storefront. But this is how I curl my hair at night. I take my curling iron and I do the flip around method, wrap around, go down a little bit, wrap around again, go down a little bit, and then go all the way up and hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. Release, and you get that cute curl. I then use the roller to roll it all the way up, and then I just pin curl it. I do this over and over again. I used to do like curl my hair the opposite way, but I felt like it came out a little bit weird, and I kind of like how the curls fall when they all go the same way for some reason. So I just do that same method, wrap around, bring it all the way down, and then roll it all the way up. Hold again for 15 to 20 seconds. I release the curl, and then I scrunch it to kind of hold the heat. I use my roller to roll all the way up, and I pin curl it. I don't really like have a method about like doing certain sizes in the front or the back. When I do quick weaves, I don't really like to use like the biggest roller in my hair, just because I feel like my hair really isn't that much trained yet. So the main color rollers I use is the green, the pink, and then sometimes I'll use the blue. Like I said, these rollers are from Amazon. I believe they were only like $10, so I'll be sure to link that in the description. So this is how it looks after I rolled all my hair up. I make sure everything is pinned all the way up, and I just take a scarf and at least try to wrap it around my hair as good as I can, and just make sure it's super tight. And I also make sure I put a bonnet on top. There you have it. It's given very much natural. It's given very much voluptuous. The link of this hair will be in the description down below. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.